Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, GHZ Learning is starting a new series of video in which we will solve the Math Olympiad challenging questions with easy method. Now let's start the first question. Find the value of x. X belong to I. I means integer. Here is the question given. Now you see here, this is the equation 8 power x minus 2 power x. Our 6 power x minus 3 raised power x equal to 2. Firstly, when we factorize it, we get 2 power 3, and that is 2 power 3, and that become 2 power 3x minus 2 power x, and our 2 power, you can write it as 6, 2 into 3, and that's a power x minus 3 power x. Now that's equal to 2. Now you can write it as 2 power x is taken as a common. You see here that value become 2 power 2x minus 1 over 2 power x into 3 power x minus 3 power x. You can see here 3 power x is taken as a common. Now you take a common 3 power x, you get 2 power x minus 1. Now you can see here, this is the 2 power 2x. You can write it as 2 power x into 2 power x whole square, and 1 can be written as minus 1 whole square over 3 power x is written as it is, and 2 power x minus 1 is written as it is, equal to 2. Now you can factorize this equation, left side of this equation, 2 power x square minus 1. We use the identity a square minus b square, that's equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 2 power x is considered as a square minus b square. Now we can write it as 2 power x plus 1 into 2 power x minus 1, and divided by 3x into 2 power x minus 1 equal to 2. And you can see here that is 2 power x minus 1 cannot be equal to 0, because the denominator cannot be 0, because if denominator is 0, that equation become undefined. Now we can write it as 2 power x does not equal to 1, and that is equal to 2 power x does not equal to 2 power 0, and that x does not equal to 0. Therefore, the x equal to 0 is not will be included in the solution. Therefore, now we simplify this equation. We get 2 power x minus 1 and 2 power x minus 1 we cancel each other. Now we get that 2 power x is written as it is into 2x plus 1 over 3 raised power x into 1, that's equal to 2. Now shift the 3 power x from left side to right side. We get 2 power x into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 2 into 3 power x. Now we simplify more here. You can divide by this equation. We can divide this equation by 2. You get 2 power x over 2, and 2x plus 1 is written as it is. Now you divide 3 power x over 2. Now 2 will be cancelled. You can see here 2 power x minus 1, you can write it as, and that is 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power x. Now this is the equation we get. Now we see that x belongs to integer, and what x does not equal to 0, we know we prove here above, x does not equal to 0. Therefore, the x equal to 0 will be excluded from the integer. Now the value of x become, x will be less than 0, and x will be greater than equal to 1. Firstly, we take 4x is less than 0. These are the negative value. Now we suppose that x equal to minus n and n is greater than equal to 1, and it means the value of x will be negative. We take 1, 2, 3, the value will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Now we check these value for this equation. Now you see here the equation is 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power x. Now we put the value x equal to minus n. Now we get 2 power minus n minus 1 into 2 power minus n plus 1, and that is 3 power minus n. Now to make it positive, we shift the value from numerator to denominator. That power become positive, minus n become plus n plus 1. And same here is 1 over 2 power positive n plus 1, and that is equal to 1 over 3 power n. Now we can write it as 2 power n, and that is can be written as 1 plus 2 power n, and 1 over 2 power n plus 1 is written as it is, and 1 over 3 power n is written as it is. Now we multiplied the denominators to denominator, we get 1 plus 2 power n over 2 power n plus 1 plus n, that become 2n plus 1, and that is equal to 1 over 3 power n. Now we shift that values 3 power n from right side to left side. Now that value become 3n into 1 plus 2 power n, that's equal to 2 power 2n plus 1. Now the n, the n is greater than equal to 1. Therefore, 3 power n value will be the multiples of 3, and these are the odd numbers values. Now these are the 3 power n will be odd, and you can see here 2 power n, these are the multiple of 2. Therefore, the values of 2 power n will be even. When you add 1 in the even value, even plus 1, that value become odd values. And therefore, and same as 2 power n plus 1, 2n plus 1, these are the multiple of 2, these are even value. Therefore, you can write it as, and this is the odd value, and 1 plus 2 power n, this is 2 power, will be also odd value. You can see here even plus 1 is odd, and that is 2 power n plus 1, this is even value. When you multiply odd, that value is equal to odd. Now the result will be odd. That is, here is the, you see here, this is the even value. Now it is not possible. When you multiply odd, the answer is even. That is not possible. Therefore, we can write it as n is less than 1, x is less than 1. For this equation, not possible. Not possible for above equation. And therefore, we check the next possibility. Now x is greater than equal to 1. Now we see here x is greater than equal to 1. To check this, firstly we see that x equal to 1, and then we check that x is greater than 1. That's, we can write it as x is greater than equal to 2. Now firstly we check the x equal to 1. The equation we have x 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power x. Now we put the value x equal to 1. For x equal to 1, we get 2 power 1 minus 1 is 0, and 2 power 1 plus 1, that's equal to 3 power 1. We check it, that is equal to 1 into 3 equal to 3, and 3 will be equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 1 is taken as a solution value for this equation. So x equal to 1, and it's satisfied, the equation is satisfied for this value. The equation is satisfied for x equal to 1. Therefore, now this is the solution of this equation. And now we check the next inequality. You see here x is greater than equal to 2. Now we can write it as 2 power x minus 1 into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power x. Now when x is greater than equal to 2, you see here the 2 power x minus 1, that is the multiple of 2, and these are the even values. Now next is, you can see here 2 power x plus 1, that is even value. When you add the 1 in even value, that becomes, this is the odd value. Now you see here, next is the 3 power x, and 3 power x is a multiple of 3. For therefore these values will be odd values. Now we can write it as, now you can write it as, this is, these values are even multiply odd, and that is the odd value. You see here, these are the odd values. And you know that when you multiply even value to odd values, the answers will be even. And here is the answer is odd, that is not possible. Therefore, we can write it, x is greater than equal to 4x is greater than equal to the solution is not possible. Solution is not possible. Therefore, we get only one solution, that for x equal to 1, for this, for x equal to 1, the equation satisfied for this value equation. And therefore, this is the answer, x equal to 1 only, because the x is less than 0, less than 0 is not possible, x is greater than 2 is not possible, x equal to 0 not possible, and this is the only answer.